starting my Saturday with a to-do list and a coffee, a massive coffee at that one. So I'm just gonna sit here and do nothing while I drink my coffee. And then I've got my to-do list, which I broke down into 2 different categories, a home category and a self category. So for home, I just have lots of chores that I wanna do, and then for self, a few things I wanna do before I go out to a birthday party this afternoon.
The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time.
While breakfast is cooking, I'm going to unpack the dishwasher. Breakfast and a little bit of Good Wife. I love that show. So it's my usual favorite: a potato, half a tomato, no, actually a whole tomato because it was a small one, 2 poached eggs, a mixture of baby spinach and kale, and then spring onions. This is like my all-time favorite. Good morning, welcome to Saturday. I've actually had the best morning so far, although I think it's actually now afternoon. Anyway, I am wearing a fake tan, a lot of it, which I'm hoping develops enough by time I need to wash it off. I've also done a full face of makeup because I have a birthday party to go to this afternoon, and I do need to leave the house in a minute, and I wasn't sure. Like, I just didn't want to run the risk of coming back late and not having enough time to do both hair and makeup. And I have this weird thing where I don't like doing my hair when I'm fake tan, so I'll rinse off my tan, then do my hair, and then I can go out this afternoon. But so far today, I've had a very chilled morning. It's been really relaxing. I just finished a load of washing, so I do need to hang that out before I leave, but I'm gonna head in and get my nails done and just maybe go to the markets for a bit as well. So I should have time to do that. Last night I was feeling just really when I got home, so I've left my uni bag here and I just really need to go and unpack it. I was just wearing a denim skirt, but I think I might actually want to wear this skirt this afternoon, and I don't want to get it all tanny, so I'm just wearing my tan skirts. I have 2 of these. I have a black one and a grey one. I got them from factory years ago, and they are long skirts, but I just kind of pull them up a little bit, and this is my casual tanning outfit so I don't gross up any clothes that I want to wear this afternoon. I changed it up a little bit with my nails. I've gone black and kind of like an almond shape, I guess. Bit different to the usual. And then I picked up a couple of things from the markets just to get me through breakfast and lunch for the week. And then I also got a basic instinct wrapped from Schnitz. So I'm gonna eat this, then I'm gonna have a shower and then do my hair, and then I'm gonna head on out. This is my outfit for the day. It's kind of casual. I think the brown makes it a little more summery, which is nice. I was thinking of black because my black shoes are not as high. Fingers crossed these don't hurt too badly. And then I've just popped in my extensions and curled my hair as I normally do. So I need to leave in like a minute, and I've made such a mess of everything. I always do this. I have makeup and stuff, and on rare occasions, I'll actually clean it up before I leave. Let me know if you're someone who's super organized and can clean up before they go somewhere, or whether you're like me and you just tend to leave a mess and then you deal with it when you get home or tomorrow. That's my super wholesome Saturday morning. I really enjoyed today. I'm really loving Saturdays right now. They're kind of my favorite day of the week. And I feel like, is my makeup as dark as my body? I don't know. I'm not good with tan. I just kind of do it and it doesn't work out sometimes, and sometimes it does. Anyway, I'm going off to a birthday party and it's gonna get real hot this afternoon, which is really nice. It's kind of a little bit of the last of summer. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this Saturday video, and up the top here you can check out my last video. Down the bottom I'll leave a link to another one, and I'll see you guys